So this is Hoppy Copy and a relatively new AI tool that will help you with your email marketing. So you'll see here that I'm actually under email campaign at the moment, and there's newsletter creator, sequence creator, multi-purpose. So there's all these different ways that you can use Hoppy Copy to help you write your copy. So I wanted to show you one I've already done, and then we can also look at one that we start from scratch. So if you go back over to my workspace over here, you'll see I use Sequence Creator. Now what I did was I have a free lead magnet for 7 free ways to promote your business. So what I did was I told it my business. Gave it a product description, who it targets, and the topics that it covers. It then went and created the sequence for me. And so if you scroll down, we'll see an outline here. And then if we just, well, sorry, let me just finish. So it's set it all up for you already in the sense of we recommend, day 1, day 3, day 5, day 7, day 9, day 11, day 13, day 15. So that would be one email for each of the 7 elements within it. And from here, you can just click on the right, and it's now creating that content for that particular email. And, like anything with this generative AI, the more description you can put into your original, what I would call brief or prompts, then the more on the money, I guess, this content will be. So that's the introduction email. I can then go in and, change the image, basically change whatever I do not like about that particular email. And then I can move on to email number 2, and it will start writing that out. So these aren't necessarily going to be fabulous at this point because I actually haven't given it much to work with for the individual content for each of those 7 subjects. So it would be quite interesting to see what it comes up with and whether I was happy with this or whether I would like to change it out and update it a little bit more. But that is literally how easy it is. So let's do one from the absolute beginning. I'm going to I'm still learning this myself. Let's say you want to do a weekly newsletter out to your database. Let's click on newsletter creator. And here it's giving me, I might just do a single story in this case. So again, we're going to say, who are we? So we'll say what matters marketing, not that this matters, what matters marketing, and we'll put agency in there so it just helps it give it a bit more context. We work with small business owners who are seeking valuable marketing advice, tips, and strategies to grow their business. So that'll do for now. Target audience, we've sort of already told them that, but we'll say small to medium-sized business owners with a growth mindset. So see, that's just a little bit more of an insight into the kind of person we're targeting. So interests here, we could put, in this case, let's make this email about Hoppy. Introduce audience to a new AI email marketing tool called Hoppy Copy. It can assist you to create your email marketing campaigns from scratch. I'd like to tell my audience about it, including its features and benefits. And I might just leave it at that for now. Can select a tone. So at the moment, I'm just using friendly. If you are dealing, say you're a lawyer or you're in a bit more of that professional field, you might prefer to do professional. If you're a high-end luxury brand product experience, you can put luxury in there. If you're a bit witty or bold, they give you a few different options there. So I'm just going to go with friendly. I've got include images ticked on, but you can toggle that off if you like. And then I'm just going to go create. Now, as you can see, it's saying hang tight, processing can take up to 30 seconds. So here we go. This is obviously, you would like to think, quite easy for them to write because it's all about their own product. But let's see what it says. Introduction to Hoppy Copy, the new AI email marketing tool. And then it's suggesting what we would put in that one. So introduce Hoppy Copy as a game changer. Explain how. Yep. So I'd go, yeah, I'm quite happy with all of those suggestions. Let's click write. And it's now going to start writing. There's a new player in town. We're talking about Hoppy Copy, blah, blah, blah. Don't know why that's in there. But anyway, design specifically to small, medium-sized businesses, da-da-da-da. So I could read all through that and just see if I'm happy with it, or I want to delete some parts. I might want to update some. Okay, then it's saying, why don't you then talk about the features? Oh, that's following my brief I gave it. And I'm, happy with what they're suggesting. Let's see what it does when I say write the content for me. It's no secret that the right tools can make your marketing efforts go from good to extraordinary. Let's dive in, blah, blah, blah. I'm not overly loving these images, so I would actually take them out at the moment. I don't feel they're supporting the content at all or my brand. Okay, and then it talks about the different benefits. Again, it's added in another generic image, and I'm not happy with it, so I would remove it. Then we talk about benefits, and then it talks about how Hoppy Copy aligns with growth mindset. So this would be interesting. Let's see what it writes for that. Today's rapidly evolving business landscape, a growth mindset is more than just a buzzword, it's a necessity. Okay, so it's, all right, that's okay. We may or may not want to use that. Obviously, it doesn't have a lot of images to draw from, so it'd probably be worthwhile adding your own in if you wanted to include some. And you'll see tips to maximize the benefits, and then a conclusion. So if you were happy with all of that, then that's your email written for the week. And then you could take that copy and put it into your email marketing platform. So whether that's MailChimp or, Flowdesk, ActiveCampaign, whichever one it is, you've got that all built out there. And what I would suggest, having looked at those images I've supplied, is definitely create your own images. And I tend to use Canva between the Hoppy Copy AI tool and using Canva to create our images. We've now built out that content in however long it's taken to run this recording, which I would have to say is probably no more than 8 to 10 minutes. So not bad. And yes, you do still need to go into your MailChimp of the world, your email platform, and upload it, but significantly quicker than sort of starting from scratch. So I hope you find that beneficial. There's a link below if you are interested in having a trial of the Hoppy Copy copy generator.